What if the career you've had for 15 years is actually hiding a business idea worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month? That's exactly what we found when we ran Danny's profile through an AI tool called AptiBuild AI. Danny's been an over-the-road truck driver for 15 years. He knows freight routes, fuel stops, and how to keep himself fed on the road better than almost anyone. He's also trained new drivers, handled customer pickups, and once ran a small business on the side. No coding experience, no tech background. Just 15 years of real-world knowledge and a lot of hours behind the wheel. So we entered his profile into AptiBuild AI. His industry, his skills, his hobbies. Turns out Danny loves cooking, and he's actually really good at it. His community, his goals. And here's what the AI came back with. 5 personalized app ideas, built specifically for Danny's skills and background. Let's walk through the top 2. Idea number 1, RoadChef AI. This is a personalized meal planner and recipe app built specifically for truck drivers. It accounts for limited equipment, a small cooler, a hot plate, a 30-minute window at a truck stop, and delivers practical, real meal ideas based on what's actually available on the road. The AI estimated this idea could earn between $300 and $2,000 a month. And here's why Danny specifically is the right person to build it. He's been eating, cooking, and figuring out food on the road for 15 years. He knows exactly what doesn't work. And that makes his version of this app something no one else could build the same way. Idea number 2, TruckStop briefs. Short audio news summaries, 5 to 10 minutes. Designed specifically for drivers. Traffic, weather, fuel prices, industry news. All delivered as a quick listen during those dead minutes at a loading dock or rest stop. Revenue potential, $200 to $1,500 a month from subscriptions and sponsorships. The hidden talent connection here? Danny already explains things clearly. He trained new drivers. He knows what information actually matters when you're behind the wheel and what's just noise. Now here's the thing. Danny didn't come up with these ideas. He just answered a few questions about his life, his skills, his hobbies, his experiences, and the AI found the connections he couldn't see. That's what AptiBuild AI does. It takes everything you already know and turns it into something you could actually build. You can try it free at AptiBuildAI.com. No credit card, no coding experience needed. Just your background and a few minutes. The link is in the description. And if you want to start building your idea, we also recommend Replit, the platform we use to create AptiBuild AI itself. That link's in the description too. What would AI find in your background? Try it and find out.